As the sun rises, a new chapter begins. Aging is not a barrier but a beautiful opportunity to rediscover your inner strength and love yourself even more. Welcome to a journey of health and vitality. Today, we will explore how to stay strong, independent, and full of life right from your own cozy home. Starting your day with gentle movement awakens the body and mind. Feel the energy flowing through your limbs as you prepare for a session of safe training. Just like these flowers, our bodies need care and attention to thrive. Every small effort you make today contributes to a much healthier and happier tomorrow. Your home is the perfect gym. All you need is a sturdy chair and a little bit of space to begin building a more resilient version of yourself. Hydration is key before we start. Taking a moment to prepare your body ensures that you have the stamina and focus needed for these effective strength exercises. Let us embark on this path together. Discover the simple techniques that will help you maintain balance, mobility, and confidence through every stage of your life. Many believe that as we age, we should slow down and avoid exertion. However, the truth is that controlled strength training is vital for our long-term health. Maintaining our muscle mass helps us stay independent and active. It is not about lifting heavy weights, but about keeping our bodies functional for daily life. Science shows that without regular activity, we naturally lose muscle mass. But with just a little bit of regular training, we can reverse this trend significantly. By strengthening our muscles, we protect our bones and improve our balance. This drastically reduces the risk of falls and keeps our skeletal system very strong. Strength means being able to carry your own groceries or lift your grandchildren. It is the foundation of a life lived with freedom and without constant help. Whether it is gardening or walking in the park, physical strength allows you to enjoy your hobbies to the fullest every single day of the year. The choice is ours to make. We can choose to stay stationary or choose to move and keep our hearts and muscles in peak condition for longevity. You do not need fancy equipment or a gym membership. Your own body weight and a few household items are more than enough to see real results. Exercise also keeps our mind sharp. The connection between your brain and your muscles is strengthened every time you perform a purposeful and controlled physical movement. I am here to guide you through every step. We will go slowly, focusing on proper form and safety to ensure you feel great after every session. Let us redefine what it means to be a senior. It is a time of power, stability, and joy. Are you ready to start this journey today? First, let us prepare our environment. Ensure your floor is clear of any trip hazards like loose rugs or wires to create a very safe workout zone. Select a chair that is firm and does not have wheels. A dining chair against a wall is often the best choice for maximum stability during exercises. Rule number 1 is always sturdy equipment. Never use a folding chair or anything that might wobble when you apply your full body weight to it. Proper footwear is essential for balance. Wear shoes with good grip and ankle support to prevent any slipping or strain on your joints while you move. Keep water nearby and take small sips frequently. Hydration helps maintain your blood pressure and keeps your joints lubricated throughout the entire workout session. Listen to your body at all times. If you feel dizzy or sharp pain, stop immediately. It is okay to take breaks whenever your body needs them. Rule number 2 is about self-awareness. Exercise should feel challenging but never painful. Respect your limits as you slowly build your strength over the coming weeks. Proper breathing is our third golden rule. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth during the hardest part. Never hold your breath while exercising. Continuous breathing ensures that oxygen keeps flowing to your muscles and brain, preventing any unwanted lightheadedness or sudden fatigue. Mastering your breath will make every movement more efficient. Think of your breath as the fuel that powers your muscles and keeps your heart rate steady. Check your posture before we begin. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, keeping your spine long and your core engaged. Now that we are prepared and safe, let us start our first set of movements. Remember, consistency is much more important than speed or intensity. We begin with the sit to stand exercise, which is essential for leg strength. Place your feet shoulder width apart and keep your weight centered over your midfoot. Lean slightly forward and push through your heels to stand up. Keep your back straight and your movements smooth and controlled throughout the entire rising motion. Lower yourself back down as if you were touching a cloud. Do not just drop into the chair, use your leg muscles to control the descent. Ensure your knees stay aligned with your toes. Avoid letting your knees cave inward, as this protects your joints from unnecessary strain and keeps you balanced. Perform 10 repetitions at your own pace. This simple movement builds the foundation for walking, climbing stairs, and staying active throughout your daily routine. Next, we have seated leg extensions. Sit back in your chair with your spine supported. This exercise targets the quadriceps, the large muscles in your thighs. Slowly extend one leg out until it is straight. Hold it for a brief second at the top, feeling the muscle engage, then lower it slowly. Alternate between your right and left legs. Keep your toes pointed toward the ceiling to get the full benefit of this very effective lower body exercise. Focus on the sensation in your thighs. You are building the strength needed to keep your knees stable and your walking stride confident and very secure. Continue for 10 reps on each side. If you feel any discomfort in your knee, don't lift as high. Always work within your comfortable range of motion. Our third lower body exercise is heel raises. Stand behind your chair and hold onto the back for balance. Keep your feet pointing straight ahead today. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rising as high as you comfortably can onto your toes. This strengthens your calves and improves your overall stability. Lower your heels back down gently. Avoid bouncing. The goal is a slow and controlled movement to maximize muscle engagement and prevent any strain on tendons. Strong calves are essential for balance and preventing trips. By doing this regularly, you are training your body to react quickly and stay upright during movement. Well done on completing the lower body set. Your legs are your foundation. Take a short 20-second break and a sip of water before we continue. Now we move to the upper body with wall push-ups. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height and slightly wider than your shoulders. Slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Keep your body in a straight line from your head down to your heels throughout. Push back firmly until your arms are straight but not locked. This exercise builds strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms, which is helpful for many tasks. Notice how your upper body works together. If the exercise feels too hard, move your feet closer to the wall to reduce the resistance and difficulty. Aim for 10 repetitions. This is a much safer alternative to floor push-ups, providing all the strength benefits without putting excessive pressure on your wrists or back. Let us use these water bottles as light weights for bicep curls. Stand or sit tall with a bottle in each hand and your palms facing forward. Slowly curl the bottles up toward your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Lower the weights back down with control. Don't let gravity do the work. Stay in charge of the movement to get the most out of every representative. Strong arms make daily tasks like carrying bags or cooking much easier. You are doing a wonderful job taking care of your physical health today. If standing is tiring, you can absolutely perform these curls while sitting. The benefit to your arm muscles remains exactly the same regardless of your posture. We are almost finished with our strength routine. Feel the warmth in your muscles as they become more active and capable with every single motion. Upper body strength is about more than just muscle. It is about the ability to reach, lift, and embrace the world around you with total confidence. Now, let us step outside and enjoy the fresh air. Physical activity is even more rewarding when we connect with nature and our local community. A short walk in the garden or park is the perfect way to cool down. Notice how much more stable your legs feel after our session. Sharing these moments with others makes exercise a social joy. Invite a friend or neighbor to join you. It keeps you motivated and very happy. Social connection is just as important as physical strength for our well-being. A smile and a conversation can brighten your entire day and boost your spirits. Let's do a gentle group stretch. Moving together creates a sense of belonging and encourages everyone to stay active and healthy throughout their golden years. Support each other on this journey. A little encouragement from a friend can make a big difference in staying consistent with your daily exercise routine. Look around and see the vibrant life in your community. We are all part of a movement toward aging gracefully, with strength, dignity, and shared happiness. Take a deep breath of fresh air. This connection between your body, your community, and nature is the true secret to a long and fulfilling life. Every step you take with others strengthens your heart and your bonds. Exercise doesn't have to be a solo task, it can be a wonderful social event. You have done something wonderful for yourself today. By choosing to move and connect, you're embracing the very best that life has to offer right now. As our outdoor time comes to an end, carry this feeling of strength and connection with you. You are more capable than you ever imagined. Now, it is time to rest and reflect. Enjoy a warm cup of tea and let your body absorb the benefits of the work you've done today. Your strength is a gift you give to yourself. With every session, you are making a commitment to your future self and your continued independence. Think back on what we achieved today. From lower body stability to upper body power and social connection, you have taken a massive step forward. Consistency is the key to success. Try to perform these simple movements at least 3 times a week to see and feel the greatest transformation. I believe in your potential to stay strong and healthy. Every day is a new opportunity to move, to breathe, and to live your life fully. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe for more health tips and exercise routines designed specifically for your needs and your vibrant lifestyle. Until next time, stay active, stay positive, and always remember that your strength is within you. Wishing you health, happiness, and a very wonderful day.